couple of jobs this weekend. We're going to show you what we're doing. The electrician's been and done a bits and bobs, hasn't he?
Yep, yes.
So we can crack on. He's still got to come and finish off. Look what we've got to sort out. All that bump. So you've got the main cables through. The control panel for the lights and the diesel heater are all ready to go in. So that's all secure. Need to sort the fridge out and the unit and the fuse box and all things are going down there. But we can. He's done it, left it in such a space where we can carry on, hasn't he?
Yeah, he has. Yeah. So get sofa in hopefully this weekend.
Yep. So Dean this morning has already been busy, hasn't she? Giving me orders.
A little bit. I can't do a lot, but I've done a little bit. You've
been pointing me in the right direction, haven't you? That's an important job. So we've carpeted around here just to tidy that off. The edge of the ceiling panels have been done. We put the original panel for the cupboard on because we think it looked better than just that bit there. You've got that little bit of blend between there and there. And we covered the orange door in carpet. Carpeted around this, that's ready, the frame for that's ready to go on. But look at the lights. Look how good they look. Okay, so we've got 2 lights there and 2 lights there. It looks brilliant. We might get the TV bracket mounted today, this weekend. That needs wiring in anyway. But the main job is this. We're going to sort out the settee. We're going to make use of what was in Peggy, aren't we?
Yes, we've got 2 4-foot by 20-inch sofas that you pulled the middle together and it made a bed, but we took the middle out and we had a proper board in Peggy. But what we're going to do, we're going to hopefully put a piece across there that just encloses the diesel heater. So that'll be one sofa cut down and then the other one should fit exactly there. So then we can box that in, like I say, we can have the vent at the front for the diesel heater, and the top of that we actually took some of the lats out and we made a lid. So if we ever need to get to the diesel heater, it will be just literally lift the lid off and you've got access to the diesel heater.
So after this weekend, we'll have a settee. We might set the bed up, ready for hopefully the final fix of electrics next week. Bless him, he's come to do the jobs. He does it in his own time, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's got loads and loads of work on, bless him. So he knew it before he came to us, and it is all over the place, bless him. So
he did say that it would be done a long time ago if it wasn't for the original wiring, and to try to make most of the original wiring. Because he hasn't wired it in, he's had to find out where things are going from one place to another.
Yeah.
Oh, bless him. It's been like the Krypton factor.
Yeah, it has. But it's like what he says, he's got to make sure that everything from the start is right, because he can't put his name to it otherwise. So
make sure everything's safe.
Make sure everything's safe.
He's very thorough like that. He won't do anything by halves. He'll always make sure it's all ready and done so we're safe.
Yeah, we had him to do the electrics in Peggy, so we're really impressed with him there. So we've asked him to do the same.
It makes everything so neat as well.
Yeah, it does. I mean, it doesn't look it now, but well, it will when it's on.
He's got us in a space. He's got us in a place where we're not going to get another wasted weekend.
No.
And he's going to come back next week, one afternoon next week, and finish it off. In the meantime, we've got things to do, so we're going to crack on.
Yeah. See you in a bit.
We've done a few little amendments. We've cut down the main board. So if there's a problem with the electrics and you need to get behind it, we can just take the board off without having to take the kitchen away, the fridge out. So we thought, thinking ahead, which is unlike me, we'll chop that up. So that was a good idea, yours, wasn't it?
Yeah, lay awake for about 4 hours this morning, thinking about things, and I thought, you know what? When everything's in place, we're not going to be able to get that board out for the electrics.
Did you think about me in those 4 hours?
No.
Okay.
Only about you doing job. Nice.
Brilliant. And we've also put the telly on. There we go, let's tweak it. So it's screwed, well, it's bolted in, self-locking nut on the other side so it doesn't vibrate loose. You're going to model the bracket.
Yeah, everything's been tightened up so it comes out like that.
So we can sit on the set, just excuse me. So we can sit on the settee and watch the telly.
comes right out wherever you want it, so you can dip it. So when we lay in bed, perfect angle.
Well, I'll be watching telly, you'll be thinking about things for 4 hours.
Jobs that you can do, that's what I'm
And then if we sat outside the van, if we sat outside, come on,
yes,
model.
if we sat outside the van, it goes this way as well. So you pull it out, twist it, bend it, so we can sit in the shade and watch whatever we want to watch that way.
Excellent. And what's the make of that?
Is it cello? Is it the front?
There is a sign somewhere.
Is it the front? There, look.
No, I'm not about the telly, I'm on about the bracket.
Oh.
There's a name on it, it's here, look. Iono. So that's what we've done so far this morning. It just started to rain earlier, so we thought we'd do a few little jobs while it's raining. And now we're going to tackle the settee there.
Oh.
What we were going to do there is, well, we've also done that line there, so we're going to do the front frame of the bed.
Yeah, this will go down there and be attached to the solid back plate, and then there'll be another one across the top of there at the right height, and then the front of the bed will be screwed into that. And
then there'll be a kind of a frame to stop me rolling out of bed because I'm like a child. That also means when you take the electrics off, you don't have to move the bed bracket either. So the little jobs need doing, but they need doing.
Well, this is it, and they're always the ones that you think 5-minute job, 2 hours later.
So I'm gonna have a drink now. We're gonna sort this settee out. I think the next job.
And sort the settee out.
Wish us luck. What's on telly? Alright guys, if you remember, we had 2 of those in our old van.
4 foot.
4 foot. So what I've done with the other one, the spare, I've cut it down so it fills that whole gap. So that's about 6 foot now, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've got a sofa cushion mattress that fits along there and goes up the wall. And that gap there is ideal size for, because this was the rear of it, on the left hand side. But we'll leave it on the rear for the toilet to slot in, as so. There she is, look how she's done that.
Perfect, and it's got a little gap there and one at the back. Toilet roll storage.
We're going to put frontages on those anyway, aren't we?
Yes.
That's a nice word, isn't it? Frontage.
Frontages, yes. But we've got, in this one, if I can find it, there, look. So this, we're going to move a couple of these down so that this sits directly over the diesel heater. So if we ever need to get to the diesel heater, we'll lift this out and it's not a problem.
So we'll do that now, while we're here?
Yep.
Right, catch you in a minute guys. We're cracking on with it, cracking on. There you go guys, one settee. It's like a futon mattress, isn't it? That folds. But we covered it in the mattress cover. Well, mattress cover, isn't it?
No, it's a quilt cover.
It's
a nice, like a velour quilt cover.
But that's also 2 reasons. Nice and comfy, and it keeps it clean because no doubt the dogs will want to sleep up there when we sleep at
Bring
night.
it home and bung it in the wall.
Oh, let's have a sit. Put telly round, Ducky. Put telly round. Oh yeah, look at this.
Is that enough?
You could feed me grapes at the same time.
No,
okay.
that's not going to happen. Thank you.
So we've got the telly there. That faces us either whether we're in bed or whether we're sat down here. This is a nice comfy seat. I'm already sideways. Feet up, foot massage all sorted.
Pushing his luck today.
You'll be saying that when you're facing this way with your feet on me. Is this my place then? Can I sit here? Because I've got the front seat to lean against as well.
Yeah. Obviously when the bed front's in, I'll be able to lean across here as well. So.
Yeah, well we can't do the bed front until the electrics are completely finished.
No.
Which hopefully it's tomorrow, Tuesday. Come here for one more day, fit it all there. All the wire is in place. All it needs to do is put the screw them to the board. Wow. It's only a short one this week, isn't it? I mean, we've got tomorrow morning if we go to Amwell afternoons this week, guys. Might get a couple of hours at it tomorrow morning, but can't really do anything until he's completed it. Then we can crack on and get everything done. But now we've got a seat. We'll have a bed easy enough. in a weekend after next, we can go out whatever stage it's at and use it, and it's going to be usable.
Yes.
Because we've got the fridge, the electrics will be in, we've got a gas cooker anyway.
Yep. Yeah, but also with the bed, with this, we've got the futon, which is like doubled over under there and it comes up here. But what I've suggested to Nigel is if we put another piece of ply all the way across here by the same width and then get some extendable legs screwed onto the corners, they can be pulled out and it makes another double bed.
Why, is that if I'm a bad lad?
Yeah. That's if you start snoring, I'm just going to...
Make a partition.
Yeah.
It looks good, guys. Looks good, guys. Well, that'll have the frame around soon enough. We need to get some longer screws, but we'll sort that out when we get around to it. But it's usable. It's even usable now with the power banks, but it'll be even more usable when the electrics are done.
Yep.
So like I say, that's a short one this week, guys. But we've done a bit, haven't we? We're coming over.
We have done a bit.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
Hope you learned something. Hope you learned whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, how to do something or how not to do something.
Definitely how not to do something.
But we've got a settee and it hasn't collapsed yet, so we're alright, aren't we?
We're getting there. We've got toilet storage.
Yep, toilet, that's a necessity. Yeah. We'll catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You normally say it, the notifications.
No, I can mix it up a bit.
Yeah, just drop me a note. Yeah, give us some hype and a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the notifications. Share a lot. Share us around, because we've got this and we've got the holiday side as well. So
yeah,
we're cracking on with it, aren't we?
We are.
We'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Pretend you're comfortable.
Pretend I'm comfortable. Well, we'll have cushions on here as well. Bye.
About 75 by looks. Yeah, okay. Catch you later, guys.